Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to prevent the cracking of the center dot of the mandala. So here I am using Snow White of Deco Art. So these are matte colors. So in order they might crack once drying. So in order to prevent that I am using white pearl metallic uh, 1/4 of it to prevent the cracking. See how I have taken 3/4 of the matte color and then I am adding a slight little bit like 1/4 of the metallic paint. So if you are using any matte colors, so add that kind of metallic or little lighter metallic so that your colors don't change and but the metallic colors glues the matte colors and prevent cracking. So here I use the bigger rod to do my center dot. First I love to do my dot little bit plumpy. So first I will uh, mark the circle using the bigger rod and use the micro tape to even out all the colors in the circles. Then I will pour out the paint over it. So I wish the deco art helps because it's not that much fluidy in nature and it's have right consistency. So once I pour out, it stays inside that circles, and once it is dried, it gives me a very plumpy look and my center dot cracking is avoided. So this is the way you can do your center dot that will be very attractive and will not have any cracks. Hope this video is useful. Do subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Like, share and comment. Would love to reply to you. Thank you.